If you're getting into Leathercraft and want to build real skills, not just collect scrap projects, these are my top 5 leather projects every beginner should make. Each one teaches something new, pushes your skills forward, and actually gives you something you can use, gift, or sell. So let's jump into this. Starting off with number 5, it's going to be Minimalist Cardholders and Slim Wallets. This one's a classic for a reason. It's clean, quick, and deceptively educational. You'll learn the basics, cutting straight lines, spacing holes, burnishing edges, and keeping your stitch lines tight and consistent. And unlike more complex wallets, you typically don't need to work with multiple thicknesses of leather or do any skiving. One good piece of 3 to 4 ounce leather and you're off. And on the upside, people actually carry these, so it's a real confidence boost when someone uses the thing that you made. Moving on over to number 4, and this is going to be Key Fobs and Keychains with rivets or snap hooks. Don't underestimate the humble keychain. It's one of the fastest ways to practice core skills. Cutting consistent straps, punching clean holes, and setting hardware without messing up your leather. It's also super customizable, so you can personalize it, try different shapes, hardware, and finishes. That makes it a great gift, and honestly, it's one of the easiest products to start selling early on. Moving on to number 3, and this is going to be Bifold Wallets. This is where things get real. A bifold wallet isn't hard, but it forces you to think more intentionally. You're working with layers, fold lines, different thicknesses, and maybe even skiving to keep some things slim. You also need to plan your stitching and assembly sequence so that everything lines up and you don't box yourself into a corner halfway through. And moving on to number 2, and that's going to be belts. Belts look simple, but they'll humble you real quick. The actual construction is straightforward, but the difference between a pro-looking belt and a beginner one is all in the details. Clean strap cutting, consistent edge beveling, dead-on hole spacing, and if you mess up the measuring, you've just wasted a big chunk of leather. Plus, this is where hardware choices start to matter. Buckles, snaps, Chicago screws, you'll get a feel for what looks good and what's easy to work with. And before I get to number 1, if you want to support the channel or check out the leather goods that I make, head over to puredleather.com. Alright, and let's get to number 1. And number 1 is going to be pouches with zippers or snaps. This is where function meets challenge. Pouches with closures like zippers or snaps are the stepping stone into bag making, but smaller and a little less intimidating. You'll learn how to manage curves, align pieces cleanly, stitch around tight edges, and even start to think about things like structure and internal space. And learning how to install zippers or snap flaps adds a whole new layer to your skill set. Once you get this down, you can move into things like bags, cases, slings, you name it. These 5 projects hit all the fundamentals: cutting, stitching, edge work, hardware, and construction. And each one teaches you something the others don't. Start with one, master it, and by the time you reach the last one, you'll be light years ahead of where you started. If you're working on any of these, let me know in the comments. I'd love to see what you're making. And if you want more content like this, make sure to subscribe. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.